Students, in this class we will learn the power of flash fill. The question comes is, how are we to achieve our task with little effort? So that is the most important mission as programmers, as information technologists, we should have in mind. Obtain the maximum with minimum effort. So as a part of that, today I would be teaching you about a very important shortcut key called as Control E. Now you have this table here. On this column you got the city zip, and on the column G and column H I've got the first name and the last name. Now I want to clean the data. I want to take the data from city and zip and put it down in column city and the zip number in column zip, and join the first name and the last name and place it in the column proper name, and also place the names, or in other words give emails to the individuals. So imagine these are all my employees from different cities present, and we are trying to bring them on board and give them the email. So some data cleaning has to be done here, or in other words data formatting. So that is what we are going to be seeing, how to do it in a faster manner. So Control E. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to first type in Chicago and then click enter. Go to the second cell, just type Control E. Did you see that, what just took place there? Automatically Excel gives us all the cities. Now go to zip, type in the first code 60430 and click enter. Now in the second cell, press Control E. Did you just see what has happened there? Okay, now I already taught you how to use the proper name function. Of course, you can say equal to and use the proper name function, but we are not going to be doing that. All we need to do here is just type Mark space John. Click enter. Go and press Control E. The names are already displayed. So this is a faster way to get the work done. Now, since these individuals are my employees, I'm bringing them on board, I would like to give them emails. So that email can be designed like this: mark.john. You can place the company that you want. I'm going to place spacexmath.com and click enter. Now go to the second cell, press Control E. Automatically, within no time, the emails would be placed by Excel. Isn't it beautiful? Of course, you're free to highlight it and increase the font size. You can do what you want in this cell. So if you want to increase the font size, you can increase it and enlarge the column and make it more presentable. So this is the power of Control E.